Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Finance. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can avoid bots and Omegle. So in order to do so, first thing, make sure that you are well connected with your internet service or that you're connected to an internet service. In order to avoid bots and Omegle, all you have to do is open up your web browser. Use any web browser that is convenient for you. So as for this video, I'm using Google Chrome. And on the search box, type in Omegle anti-spam and dark mode. After that, click on the first link, that is Omegle anti-spam and dark mode option, or the link. And after that, you'll be able to see an option as add to Chrome. Click on this button in the top right corner, and then you'll be able to see once again a confirmation. Click on add extension. Once you do this, after that you need to allow all of the permission, and then you've added extension to your Chrome web browser. If you click on this puzzle icon in the top right, and then you'll be able to see your extension right over here. In case if you want to remove it, just click on this button and click on remove from Chrome, and after that you have multiple options. You can go through all of these, and in this way you can avoid bots on your Omegle. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.